Today we are going to talk about data management. Let me start with the definition. Data management is the process of ingesting, storing, organizing, and maintaining the data created and collected by an organization. Effective data management is a crucial piece of deploying the IT systems that run business, applications, and provide analytical information to help drive operational decision-making and strategic planning by corporate executives, business managers, and other end users. There are 7 key principles that form the foundation of an environmental data management system. I wish I could go into more details, but I will go quickly over them. A clearly defined data management plan, implementation of data lifecycle control, identification of data ownership and stewardship, ensuring data security, maximizing data usefulness to avoid recollecting or reprocessing data because redoing a certain process is more costly than doing it the first time. Establishing data quality standards, ensuring proper documentation, and tracking of data. The separate disciplines that are part of the overall data management process cover a series of steps from data processing to governance of how data is formatted and used in operational and analytical systems. Development of data architecture is often the first step, particularly in large organizations with lots of data to manage. An architecture provides a blueprint for the database and other data platforms that will be deployed, including specific technologies to fit individual applications, so it's not a rigid system. Anywho, databases are the most common platforms used to hold corporate data. They contain a collection of data that is organized so it can be accessed, updated, and managed. They are used in both transaction processing systems that are creating operational data such as customer records and sales orders, and data warehouse, which store consolidated data sets from business systems for BI and analytics. Like any other thing, data management faces a lot of challenges. If an organization does not have a well-designed data architecture, it can end up with siloed systems that are hard to integrate and manage in a coordinated way. To help make data more accessible, many data management teams are creating catalogs that document what's available in systems and typically include businesses, glossaries, metadata, driven data dictionaries, and data lineage records. The shift to cloud can ease some aspects of data management, but it can also create new challenges. For example, migrating to cloud database and big data platforms can be complicated for organizations that need to move data and processing workloads from existing on-premises systems. So imagine if you were trying to move that amount of data onto cloud. It needs faster internet, it needs a lot of capacity, needs a lot of power from the systems you already have or the new systems you are trying to implement, and of course it will cost a lot. And that's why I'm going to the next point, which is costs. Costs are another big issue in the cloud. The use of cloud systems and managed services must be monitored closely to make sure data processing bills do not exceed the budgeted amount. There are 5 tips I can give you to improve data management in your company. You need to understand the potential of the data you have. You need to build a company data management team. You need to be sure to comply with global data privacy regulations to make sure your company data is secure. Turn your company data management strategy into a profit. I wish I could go into more details, but I have limited time. Lastly, I'm going to talk about the importance of data management. Data increasingly is seen as a corporate asset that can be used to make more informed business decisions, improve marketing campaigns, optimize business operations, and reduce costs, all with the goal of increasing revenue and profits. But a lack of proper data management can saddle organizations with incompatible data silos, inconsistent data sets, and data quality problems that run business intelligence and analytics applications, or even worse, lead to faulty findings. So it will lead to the exact opposite of the whole point of data management and data collection. We want to collect data and manage this data to reach a certain result with accuracy, but lack of proper data management will lead us to the exact opposite. Data management has also grown in importance as businesses are subjected to an increasing number of regulatory compliance requirements, including data privacy and protection laws such as GDPR. In addition, companies are capturing ever larger volumes of data in a wider variety of data types. Without good data management, such environments can become unwieldy and hard to navigate.